Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can dive into the lake to uncover its secrets. So what you'll basically need to do is go and dive into this lake. And as you can see, you'll need to hold rectangle if you're on controller, and then you'll need to hold to activate it. Now just investigate, and then just basically you'll see some chests around, and then you'll need to open a drainage. As you can see right here, if you go open and hold it, you'll see that you will open a drainage. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.